Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Allegiant Airlines promo codes in 2025. So in the first method, I would recommend you to first come to the official website of allegiantair.com, and over here you don't need to first log in into your account and check if there is any sort of deal or promo code or any type of offer is going on. So you need to make sure that you come over here and check that out. If any of the deals you find interesting, you just have to avail that deal and you are good to go. In the second method, you just have to simply search for Allegiant Airlines promo codes 2025, and over here you will see a bunch of different websites that will be providing you the promo codes and deals. So you just have to open these websites one by one in a new tab and hop onto these websites to check what they are actually offering. Like this website is giving you $10 off code, and here you can just click on get code option and it will give you the code which you can just use at the time of checkout. So this is the code that you can use. Similarly, you can just hop on to another website and try to find if this is providing you some different codes, and you can just try that out at the time of checkout. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.